Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I'm going to introduce a very unique phone case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This thing is supposed to be very unique. So let me show you guys what you get in the box. First thing you're going to be greeted with is obviously the starter manual. Now this may help you out a lot because it does have the QR codes that you will need to install the app in order to utilize the special feature that this case offers. Now, so the cool feature that this case offers, guys, is an NFC link smart case display right here. So as you see, there's a little panda here with the QR code. There's no other electronics related to this case. So this is going to allow you to place your images on your case by just utilizing the app. So getting started, first thing you're going to do is you're going to fit your iPhone into the case like so. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You guys see it fits in here perfectly. Now, the only other thing you will need to do is to open the app. So you will download the app either on iOS or Android, but it depends on which case you have. In this case, we're going to be using iOS. This is the app you're looking for, the AI phone case. And we're just going to click on here and go to open. Now it wants you to register, so you can set this up however you want to, but you can also register with Google or with Apple. So once you've logged in, you're going to have access to the app itself. And of course, you can go through and choose your album. You can use AI creations. You can go back to the home page. You can use the camera feature as well. So it really just depends on what you want to be able to do in order to add your image. So I could actually take a photo and use that as the image that I want to display. But of course, we're not going to do that now. I'm just going to choose one of these cool little images that we see here. Maybe this little cat. Let's use the cat. And we're just going to go next. And we're going to cast it. Takes a few seconds. And let's take a look at the front of the case. And as you can see, now we have our cat on the case. Now I still have this protector on here, so let me go ahead and peel this off so you guys can see this a little bit better. So you guys see how easy it was to just put this cat on here. So this could be anything. This could be a QR code for your business. This could be a number of different things, you know, like a business card. Of course, we can go back and we can choose something else. Let's say we want to choose, let me find something in here. If you're into manga, this could be a thing for you. But let's just say we're going to choose this horse. Now you can adjust the picture. You can use filters, so you can go in here and change the filter look. It's not going to be, you know, like using an LCD screen, but it's going to get pretty close. Okay, so we've changed the filter, and maybe we wanted to add a little bit of text on here. We could do that as well. So let's just say on the text, we're just going to say hello, just as you know, example. Click that. Where did our text go? There it is. Okay. And there's our text. We're just going to put hello. Then we can go next. We're ready. Hit cast. It's going to do basically the same thing. Now, once this has transmitted the image to the case, it is no longer connected or utilizing any battery power from your phone, which is super cool. So as you guys can see here, it takes a few seconds for it to line up, but once it's done, that's what you're going to end up with, is something that looks like this. So if you're looking for a unique case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, or whichever iPhone or whichever Android phone that you might be interested in, definitely take a look at this case. Really nice design, guys, on the case as well. It has a nice lip all the way around to protect your screen. You also have a similar lip all the way around to protect your cameras. So, of course, this is not a rugged case, but it's still going to give you access to all of your buttons, your USB-C here for charging, your speakers. All the buttons are accessible, including the action button. So, yeah, I really like this. I think this is a very unique case. So if you guys are looking for something, you know, innovative, creative, for your phone, definitely take a look at this case. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.